Okay. Okay. It's raining from last night, but the condition outside is getting worse. Let's go and check it out. Ooh. Whoa. Damn. Fine. All right, let's go for a walk trip. Let's go. Because 5 minutes ago, it was raining and raining. There was a scarcity of water because we used it last year in the summer. And this is the rainwater harvesting project that my father made it. So it's full of concrete and 30,000 bricks. And it is successful. And that's the roof water which is coming directly to it. We have a small streamline over there which connects to the other streamline. Oh yeah, my well is full. Wow, wow, wow. That's the effect of the low pressure and lunar gravity. Water never stops, it flows. And there is excess water coming from this farmland over there. So imagine how it rained. Can we spot some fish or some animals or some snake? Let's go. A few weeks ago, I have spotted a large cobra, Indian spectacle cobra over here. So that's why I'm hesitating to go, and because I don't want to get interacted with it. So this is our banana segment. Here we have planted all our bananas. Yes, elaichi banana and all other stuffs. Wow. Oh. Wow. So right now the water level is approximately 7 feet or maybe more. And maybe a parchugi hai. Ow. Okay. And it feels like that I'm in a grassland, which is very dangerous. Oh, I have to be cautious because we have spotted many snakes over here. Water snake, cobras, kraits, Russell vipers, and many more. And I don't want to be interacted with them. Oh my God, look, we got a crab. Wow, a crabby. A crabby. Hold up, hold up, hold up. You cannot do to me. Come on, man. So he lost his one arm, his defensive arm. You can see. It looks good. Yeah. Hey, crabby. Oi! Crabby ने suicide कर लिया. Shit! Oh, wow. Bananas, bananas, and so much of bananas. This place has to be awesome. And it's not disappointing me. Have you ever seen a bananas like this? Oh, हम इसको खाते हैं यार, और क्या? Ah, the savannah land is full. Yeah. अब ये डूब चुका है. That's how it is. Now I have to go home. Actually not. We can just roam over into the grassland and see what's up there for us. Oh shit. Man! I hate such kind of thing. अच्छा हमेशा करना पड़ता है. Okay. Oh. Every moving leaf is scaring me. Like there is something. Now we are here in between my farmland. Yes, Dimitris. So this is the place where I actually love to be. Yeah. Gulmohar, this is mango, these are custard apples, this is another mango, orange, lemons, blah 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 blah. Okay, this looks good. Looks sick, man. Okay, so right now we are in the... यार ऊपर चले क्या? ऊपर से देखते हैं. Yeah, we can try a little bit of jumping, japang, thampak. Okay. That ऊपर जाना wasn't really good, and I guess I broke my teeth. Yeah. Actually, I have my lip. Shit. Another trial. जब मैंने ठान लिया है, I will go. Yes. I'm not gonna settle for less. Okay. One few more steps, and then I will got this. अब मत टूटना कुछ, नहीं तो मेरी हड्डी गई. We got it. Okay. We are here. I guess now our teeth are fine. Yeah. But look this place. I hope you are looking in. Okay, lens. यार ये मेरे लेंस इतने मॉइस्ट क्यों हो जाते हैं? ओके, तो मेरा लेंस हो गया है मॉइस्ट और आप लोग कुछ देख नहीं पा रहे हैं. ओके, अब मैं कुछ दिखा भी नहीं पाऊंगा. This looks good. साला वीडियो के चक्कर में मुंह फोड़ के बैठ गया मैं. अब कुछ और फूटे. अबे तेरी, अभी नहीं. I cannot go. Okay. Hi. Shit. Saved myself. Okay. This branch looks good. Still moist. Yeah. Shit, man. Now Samsung really sucks because it says that their accessories, their gears are 100% waterproof, rain resist, water resist, but they aren't. They claim that their waterproofing system is like 10 meters. Oh yes, I'm carrying my phone, so let's check it out. Is my phone is okay about the fall? Yeah. Okay, I am not going there. I don't know what's to be expected over there. Oh, lemons! Oh my god, we have some fresh lemons over here. So these lemons are perfect for my gin. Yeah. Gin. I gonna squeeze them out and then make a peg of a gin and enjoy it. But it looks really cool. This is how you enjoy nature in the farmhouse. Yes, away from everything, but close to the nature, close to plants, insects, frogs, snakes, scorpions. These are the natural elements. Your neighbor won't be that liable to see you, but you will see snakes more often. And I'm damn sure here there could be some of a thing. Sorry guys, I cannot carry out this vlog and trip of my house because the lens is moist now and you cannot see. ये moist lens मेरा दिमाग खराब कर देगी. Okay, so this is the impact. It's swollen, but I know you cannot see me. That's how the life of being here, and I love it because it's raw. It's fascinating. Motorcycle, jungle, and living like this, whole time fun. I will be back with a new content and new thing, and I hope you're enjoying my weird things, which I obviously like to do. And yeah, auf Wiedersehen. Goodbye.